So working on the male cones from Cedar Lebanon or Cedar of Lebanon, and these were actually from a massive majestic tree in the Wellington Botanic Gardens, but I also did see the plant up in the Eastwood Hill Arboretum, which is a fabulous arboretum up in Gisborne. So working on these ones at the moment, so just looking at the tiny little scales, and I measured them and they're about just over 1 millimetre apart. So what I do, just to show you how I map it out, so I get the overall shape by measuring the length and the width, and then putting these diagonal lines on in both directions, 1 millimetre apart. So I put little dots down to get the millimetre, and then I'll go back in and I'll show you the next one. The next stage is to draw in the little scales and taking care about the shape. So I've drawn in all the diagonal lines in both directions and curving it, obviously to get the curve of the cone. And then the little scales themselves have a curved top. So then drawing in each of the tiny little 1 millimetre scales. But what I'll do is I'll actually rub this out so it's very pale, and I'll put them in with a brush rather than going over these graphite lines with a brush. So from here on I'll do it with a tiny brush, and I'll show you later.